Shoot anything you want to shoot out in the valley. Okay, now what I'd like is I'd like a shot from as far this side as you can
all
go.
the way around.
All the way over here.
A bit.
Now the idea, see, is you got to keep the sky out of it. Okay? You can't have any sky in it.
Why?
Because the sky turns green. Something about the camera right now is not functioning right. Okay? Now the idea is to do a pan. Okay? When you get somewhere where you want to see something, you zoom down. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so that when you get over, you got that whole panorama through here. Then when you get over to these tents, you bring it down in so you're taking a picture of those three. The guy putting the tent up.
Yeah.
Then you open it up again so you catch the barn in the background and the tents. Okay? Then you come down this line of tents this way.
Yeah.
Okay? And back up it again. Okay, so you're back to the barn. Alright?
Yeah.
Then you come down the next line of tents.
What about the fence we do?
Well, that's what I said. That's the next line of tents, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay? Now you're recording this whole time, you know.
So I press the red button.
Well, you're recording now, so you already pressed the red button at some point.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. Deep press. Go ahead. Start. Now just take a picture.
You just move it around.
Just move it around. Move it anywhere. Good shot, good shot. Keep going. Keep the sky. It's not going to do it. Voices along those around, aren't you?
Oh,
Okay,
no.
you got the barn. Now zoom in on the barn.
Zoom in.
Zoom in on the. That means you're going to have to lift the camera. Zoom in on the barn. That gets the camera. Great, great. Back off on the barn. Right, you can see it's the barn. Now you move up the line. Oh, no, you start with the camera too. Okay. Yeah, move down that line of place. Okay. There you go. Nice, nice. Always moving slow. Okay. Isn't that a great zoom microphone? Right at the end of the line of tents, you move back again. Okay. There you go. Nice.
No. Up to the barn.
Now you want to go over here and you want to take a shot of the cemetery.
Can I zoom it in?
Yeah, you can zoom in and out anytime you want to. You're the one inspecting the pictures. Now, I'm going to do you a favor. See if you can get that picture way up there. See the house up there with the barn next to it?
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, see if you can get that, okay? See if you can zoom right in on it.
Where is it?
Well, where is it? Yeah, you're not even close to it right now. Now you're shooting the sky. Pull all the way out when you're doing that, okay? That's what you do. You zoom all the way out so that you got a big picture. Now find it and then zoom in on it. Alright? It's the other way. I got it. Back the other way. There, you see it now? Okay. And then you zoom right in on it. Is that it? No, that's the other one.
Hi, Sarah.
Go to your left. Take a picture of your friend while she walks up to you. Snack the camera right onto it. It'll pick up. She's disappeared.
Okay, now which way?
There you go.
Got it?
Right, oh, you can see it right there.
The that one? Yep.
Okay.
It's
Oh,
so
what's
good.
that?
Coffee.
What happened here, Corbin?
Yeah.
Forgot to bring
Okay.
it.
Brown band
It
down there.
won't zoom in no more.
Okay, that's as zoomed in as it'll get. That's as good as you can get on it.
Let's go ask them.
Ah, see, I'm not going to tell you unless you give me your
They're
coffee.
fake.
Oh, look at this. She's dumping coffee on the ground even.
They're fake.
They're not fake, and you're not taking any good pictures right now.
Because I'm taking the picture
How
of.
much is the first video?
For this?
Yeah.
$10, just like everybody else.
Not many points.
Oh, you got 2 tens?
So we have 1 tent and 1 green.
Really?
Because we have this because we're staying for the weekend.
Let's stay until Tuesday.
Yeah.
No.
We're staying until Monday.
No, we're leaving Monday.
Yeah, we won't Monday.
Yeah, we're leaving.
Okay, now where do you want me to go?
Well, sit here, take some pictures. You're taking pictures. I just wanted a couple of shots there. We might try zooming in on some of the monuments if you can see them. Slowly, slowly.
Oh yeah, there's one. I'm going around.
Yeah. See if you can catch those tents over in the back over there. See the ones along the tree line?
Oh
The other
yeah.
side of the cemetery?
So Mrs. Beth, what's that? Mrs. Beth, she put on a pair of pants. And we're gonna freeze his little butt off so he's going to do the extra out. I'm not
He
cold.
doesn't have a little butt.
Oh shit. He always does that.
It's going to be about 60 degrees today.
60?
Uh-huh.
It's more than that, yeah. It's supposed to be a
It's
70.
supposed to rain.
There, Dad, I got the tent.
Okay, good. Keep going. You can't sit on things for a long time.
Thanks.
You're trying to zoom around and take pictures of things, you know?
Oh, I got Mommy then, okay?
Good, okay. Now take pictures. Here. I got nice farms over here on the hillside.
Okay, I gotta get around
Got a
it.
nice vista all the way down around here.
Why don't you get the mountains? That'd be a nice shot.
Hi, Allison's mother.
Oh, there, Dad, you forget.
What do you mean? That's the way she introduced herself.
Whoa! You can tell that's his name because he has blue teeth. Oh, wait. Lucas, I don't know what to do. I can't. Oh, there. Okay, I got it. Zoom. Right. Zoom in. Ha! I got the awesome place. Zoom out. Hi, Dad. I'm awesome. Turn a little.
You had the tent all to yourself, Sarah?
Here. Alright. I got this ugly dome tent. It's right
Okay, I don't want no ugly dome tent.
there. Aha!
Get the hills. Get the hills.
On.
Get the hills.
All the way over there now.
Hold your horses. Yeah, I got her, I guess. Stay!
What are you getting?
The girl. Wonderful. So I go up. Look at me! Smile pretty for the camera.
Another urban assault. Yeah, that's great.
Where is she? Oh, there's your stomach,
Yeah.
baby.
I have that little safari van down there. And it's getting to the point where it needs work and stuff. I mean, because it's been on a couple of rough trips. And doing that, just parking it someplace. And not even sign it, but just keeping
Smile pretty for the camera.
Allison.
Allison.
To drive around in.
Oh, goody.
Because you gotta have something like that to go camping in.
Oh, you want to be in it too?
Yeah. See to that if I am. Let me see one here.
Zoom.
You can pick these up at all.
Yeah,